Hello. This video I wanted to show one of the new features that arrived in coreBOS in December 2018, where we added a new module, which should be here in the inventory module in the menu. It's the product components module, and this module comes to represent the product bundle in in products, okay, in between products, the relation from one product to another product, okay. In coreBOS up to 2018, um, we had a very simple relation where you could go to the product, any product, in the more information tab, you had product bundles and product parent product. Okay, the idea is that one product, a parent, would have many sub products inside, okay. If we click here on this product bundle relation, you can see that in this case, uh, this product, this K101 high pressure, whatever, uh, this product here has these is actually constructed or manufactured by these four products. Okay, so it's a parent sub product relation, the product bundle. Okay, if we go to one of these, if I go click here and I go to the product parent product, it will say that this product here is actually the parent is this K100. Okay, so we have that relation. It also says here that this product has it itself sub products. Okay, so the relation is hierarchical and it goes all the way down. This relation in coreBOS before we added the product component module was just this list. So you couldn't indicate quantities. You couldn't really report on the relation. It was very limited, very basic kind of of thing. It was basically just kind of like recording that you have that relation there, but it didn't really. It wasn't really useful for anything. So we added a new module, product components, which actually represents this relation. So now this list here is not just some internal table where we relate the products between themselves, among themselves, but there is actually a new module, which I'm going to open now, which is the product components. Open that in a new tab so we can go back, where I can actually see the whole relation. Okay, in this case, I'm seeing that this K101 has these four inside. Okay, so that's the same thing we were watching or seeing from the related list. But now here I can have also all of the relations, so we can easily search on all of the ones that that for some reason are set, one way or another. You can search on the to, on the from. You can add reporting, all that kind of stuff. And also, since it's a normal module, we can also add this quantity field, which we didn't have before. Before it was just one always. Now we can put any number, any amount we want. We can add other custom fields that we need on the relation. For example, we added here the valid from and the valid to, although internally we're not using them yet. But and we could easily add this kind of logic into the application now that we have a module reflecting that relation of product and subproduct bundle. Okay. Here, let's go back to the K100. Okay, basically that's the new feature. That's what it's all about. Really kind of converting this relation that already existed into that module, and that's what the new module is for. We obviously respect any relations that are that were there. Okay, so if once you apply this new change set in your coreBOS, you will have the same sub product relations that you had before. We migrate the internal table into the new module records. Okay, so that should just work. And we enhance this a little bit so we could get the unit price and the cost price from the product. Okay, that's their kind of specific related list to get this information out of there. And what did we do that for? Because that makes it easy to see the exact relation that of prices and costs that are in the subproduct. So you can do a price roll up. Okay, so we could calculate the price or the cost of the K101 high pressure Japanese stainless steel thing here rolling up the price and quantities of each of its subproducts. Okay, and to do that, we have added. Let's open this up so we can see the relation. Okay, here I see that I have a unit price of 1,113. I'm going to eliminate that manually here, and we have a cost of 66, which I'm also going to eliminate. Okay, so we have emptied the prices on the K101. Okay, now what I want to do is that when I modify this relation, for example, if I change the price or the cost on this subproduct, or if I change the number of units that are in the relation, I want that to calculate this price with the quantity times the price or quantity times the cost and assign it to the new cost and new price on the parent product. Okay. To do that, we have to go to we have to go to the global variables. Where are you? Global variables. Open that up in a new tab also, and we have two new global variables, which are product. I think it's product subproduct cost roll up and product subproduct price roll up. Okay, so let's make sure I don't have any of those already defined. Yeah, I do, because I was testing it. Okay, so if you see here, zoom that up a little bit. If you see here, I have product subproduct price roll up activated. It's a Boolean variable set to 0 or 1, and product subproduct cost roll up also set to 1. Okay, so that means that in my installation right now, thanks to these two global variables, whenever I change a subproduct or a product component relation, whereas I eliminate a product or actually changing the from and the to relation, or the quantity, the number of units that are constructing or forming that parent product, I should get the price and the cost automatically calculated form. Okay, let's see if that's true. As you remember, here in the K100, I eliminated these prices. Okay, if I reload this page just to make sure. Okay, it's all 0. Okay, so now this is the relation. This is the relation from K101 to Car Sunshine. This is this line here. It says 1, and the prices are 55.97 and 16. So if I come here and I change the relation and I say instead of 1 unit, this is 10 units. Now if we reload the related list, I should have a 10 here. Okay, I changed the 10 here. And if I go to this, these two zeros should have changed to the price. Okay, so the cost price is 210. That's probably easier to see. 10 times is 160. 160 is 180, and 180 and 30 is 210. Okay, so as you can see, it actually did roll up those prices and that cost. This relation changes. These prices are calculated when you change the quantity, when you change the unit price, when you change the cost price, and when you change the relation. Okay, so if I actually eliminated, for example, this, if I delete this whole relation, obviously the prices are going to change and it will roll up to the parent. And if I change the relation here, for example, if I change the 10, the number of units, but if I edited this and actually said that, okay, K101 pressure is not related to Car Sunshade anymore, it's related now to sexy leggings, that would also change the relation, but not only of the K100, but it would also change the relation of whatever what other products sexy leggings is in. No, the Car Sunshine is the one that changes, because now Car Sunshine is not in the parent product, so this one gets recalculated. Okay, I don't know, but anyway, I don't remember exactly the logic anymore. But we did control these relations here. So if you change the from and the to, the calculations will be updated, and any related parents and projects and sub bundles will be recalculated accordingly. Okay, at least if we did that right, it should always calculate correctly up to the top. Okay, so So that's basically the new module and how it works. It's rather simple, and the power actually lies in all the possibilities that a new standard module gives us, instead of having some obscure hidden table internally that is very limited and obligates us to do a lot of loop jumping just to get some basic functionality working. Okay, so this does open up a lot of possibilities and makes it easier to customize your coreBOS as usual. Well, I hope that makes it a little bit more productive and useful for you. Thanks for watching.